Let's consider the following example, g of x equals 1 over x squared minus 1. And once again, we like to find the domain of that function. So again, we look back at our regular operations, what we can and cannot do with our regular operations of arithmetic, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, powers, and roots. And try to find, is there anything that we can't do? In this case, we have division going into play. Anytime you have division going into play, you have to ask yourself, am I potentially dividing by 0? And if I am, then any value that caused me to divide by 0 has to be excluded from the domain of the function. In this case, we are. So we can go in here and say, okay, when is that denominator 0? And we can solve that equation. That leads us to two values. Both positive and negative 1 would make that denominator 0. And so since they would make that denominator 0, we state for our domain of the function g, usually we just do it this way. We say that x is not allowed to be positive or negative 1. So let me try this. Running out of room, so. So we just say x is not allowed to be plus or minus 1. X is not allowed to be plus or minus 1.